Hi babe, welcome back to my channel. Of recent, I have been obsessed with writing love in hair. So I came across this mohawky hairstyle with the word love and I decided to try it. Say hello to my model. Her name is Sharon. You will be seeing her for a while. So I am starting off with the letter L. I wanted to make it look like italics, like what do they call that kind of font? Like fancy fonts, just as that lady. I don't know who has that hairstyle because I just googled love braids or love hair on Google and just came across it in a random place. It didn't list the name of the creator. I am sorry. I wish I knew who made that gorgeous, beautiful braid design, but I don't know. And thanks to whoever it is, I am trying to make my L look fancy like her own, right? So this is just me trying to create a swirl like the italics, not italics, like the fancy font, right? So I'm going to now start braiding and then I'll create like a circle around there before braiding it into the letter L, and oh boy, do I feel so fancy. So if you look closely from her picture, you would notice that she made like another swirl, like a little circle in the roundabout before turning around to finish up the L. So I tried to do that here, but I didn't really get it because my circle was too small, so the space in between was not visible. If you are recreating this, make the hair that you leave off there much more than what I did, so that you'll be able to create a sizable circle there before turning and finishing the letter L, because I think it looks more fancy and it's going to turn out better than mine. So I'm just going to complete the letter L now. Now it is time to make letter O. If you can remember, if you watched the other tutorial where I braided love on my mannequin head, I explained again that the first time I have made it, at least not the first time, the O just tends to overshadow the L. So when I remembered, I resized the O and tried to make it smaller. Okay, I tried to make it smaller than it was before. So this is smaller size. I am just going to make a line from the beginning to the top, from the beginning to the bottom, and then braid. I am still trying to reduce it, guys. Like, this thing is edited in the in reality, I was just sizing and resizing. Okay, Sharon already made this love on a mannequin. I made it on a mannequin and then she made it on a mannequin too. So we have two different perspectives of how to approach it and how to create it. Hers look like capital letters all through. I think mine were also capital letters, but hers look more like boxed. It looks quite different from mine. I'm going to list her. I would attach her video at the end of this one so that you can go watch it if you're interested, so that you will see how she explained it. It's different from how I explained mine. So as I was making the tutorial, I was asking her, how did you add your own L to your V? Oh, I added mine like this. How did you add yours? So that's just why you see us. Okay, I cut off most of those parts, but whenever you see her making any gesture in the air, that's where we are trying to like figure this thing out. If you think I just sleep and wake up and can create this thing, you're joking. You are joking, my sister, because this is like I see a picture, I try, or I think of something and I try it and it turns out rubbish. I don't film that. I try it again and try it again, and when I get it, I make a tutorial and show you how to do it. That is how it is done, my love. I am not an expert at anything. So this is how I am making the letter L. I apologize for the sound of the dog. I don't know what it is trying to say, but I'm going to complete the L and then move over to the V. Now it is time to braid the letter V. So I started parting off the V. I made the first arm, and then when it was time to make the second arm, you know, like the second part of V, the outer part is straight, right? And then after V comes letter E. And since the outer part of letter E is curved, that was when it occurred to me that I need to make the curved part of letter E so that whatever is left of it will be the outer part of letter V, instead of making V straight and then having E straight also, whereas I am making a small font of letter E. So after I made the left hand side of letter V, that was when it occurred to me, instead of making the right hand side, I left it, went off and made the section for letter E. When I was done with that, I then saw the actual portion of hair remaining for me to braid in letter V. I loosed the left hand side I had already made. I took down the braid and redid that part of letter V, and then I went ahead and did letter E, and everything turned out perfect. because I didn't want this tutorial to be too long, we didn't include the whole hairstyle in this video. So after braiding the love, I will link the tutorial of the mohawk at the end of this one. If you want to see like the complete hairstyle, it would have gotten to 20-30 minutes if I had just included everything and still showed the love braid in detail. So if you want to watch that, you can watch it at the end of this one. Enjoy.